Hi friends, here is how to watch Jake Paul versus Anthony Joshua full fight replay. If you missed the explosive Judgment Day showdown between Jake Paul and Anthony Joshua live from Miami, don't worry, you can still witness the historic sixth-round knockout. Because this was a Netflix-exclusive event, the process for watching the replay is different from your traditional pay-per-view cable broadcast. Here is exactly how to catch the full fight and the entire undercard without any spoilers. First, and most importantly, the full fight replay is available on demand exclusively on Netflix. Unlike traditional boxing matches that disappear or require a secondary purchase on platforms like DAZN or ESPN+, this fight is treated like a Netflix original movie. If you are already a subscriber, you don't have to pay a single extra cent. Just open your Netflix app, search for Jake Paul or Anthony Joshua, and the full 3-hour broadcast, including the Anderson Silva versus Tyron Woodley co-main event, will be there ready to stream in 4K. For those without a subscription, be wary of free links on social media. Netflix has been aggressive in taking down illegal mirrors. The safest and highest quality way to watch is through a standard Netflix plan, which starts at just $6.99. Once you click play, you can skip directly to the main event or watch the systematic breakdown as Joshua uses his size and elite pedigree to eventually find the lights-out right hand in the 6th round. Whether you're on your phone, laptop, or smart TV, the king of heavyweights and the problem child are just one click away. Hope you liked our work for how to watch Jake Paul versus Anthony Joshua full fight replay. If you did, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel.